So here's number 31. It's asking us to solve the system of equations. Three different ways I can think of doing this one. One is just plugging in the x and y into the x's and y's, and if they work in both, then you're good. Since there's more than one answer, make sure you do it to all of them. So if this one works, this could also be the answer, that kind of thing. Another way to do it is put this in your y equals, put this in your other y equals, so like y1 and y2, and use the intersect tool and see where they intersect each other. How to do it by hand, probably the easiest way is, since this is y and since this is y, you can just make this y equal that y. So it'd be x squared plus 6x minus 8 equals 4x plus 7. Get everything over to one side, so I'm going to minus 4x and minus 7. And that'll give us 0 over here. So x squared plus 2x minus 15 equals 0. And then we'll go ahead and factor this. So things that multiply to 15 that add to 2 are 3 and 5. And then we need to do some signs because one of them has to be negative because they multiply to a negative. But the bigger one has to be positive. So that's how it'll factor. And so our answers are x equals negative 5 and also x equals 3. If we look up here, they have y's as well. But x equals 3, x equals negative 5 is b, and none of the other ones have x equals 3 and x equals negative 5. In order to find the y's by hand, all you have to do is plug the x, say for negative 5, back into either one of these equations and it'll spit out the corresponding y, like negative 13. Or if you plugged in x equals 3 to either one of these, it would spit out 19.